Ni hao everyone. The 7-in-1. Clean your keyboard and you can use it for take the letters from your keyboard. It have the liquid and it have also the cleaner for the AirPods. Two sides where you can clean your AirPods very easy and smoothly. This is also many of our customers, by the way, create a one product store about this product. Before it have similar product, but it's smaller. This one is more bigger, more effective, more nice. I like the colors, I like the packing. Everything about this product is amazing. And also I forget to tell you that also in this product have the cleaner for the screen. So not only for the screen, for your computer screen, laptop and iPad. Start to sell this product now. This will be one of the top selling product now in the season. Yeah, very nice, very elegant. I like the boxing. mutualdropship.com. You will have more services, help you to create your Shopify store with a very good prices, to take photos and videos for your product. So you will save lots of money. No need you ship the product to your home and start to pay lots of money to get some photos and video and content for your Shopify store. I hope everyone a happy sales. See you in the next video. Bye bye.